Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to improve Snapchat camera quality on your iPhone. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open up Snapchat and then you have to click on settings and you have to go down and then click on clear data and then you have to click on clear cache. Okay, so then you have to click OK and then I'm sure your problem will be fixed. If not, what you need to do, you have to go here on settings and you can go to general, uh, iPhone storage. And then you go to Snapchat and then you have to offload this app. And once when you offload this app, you have to install it again. And then I'm sure your problem is going to be resolved. Otherwise, there is another thing that you can do. You can go to App Store and here you can type Snapchat. And here you can see if your app needs to be updated. If your app needs to be updated, there will be an update option. And once when you update it, I'm sure your problem will be solved. And the last thing that you can also do is you can go to software update and then you can see if your iPhone is updated or not. If it's not updated, then please do update your iPhone to get the best quality result of your Snapchat camera. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.